Hi, I'm Drew Finn. We're going to talk about how to clean and maintain your refrigerator for expertvillage.com. It's time to put the shelves back in. We've cleaned them and pretty clean. Pretty clean, and we'll get them in now. It's a shame at this point to break in glass. Don't drop in glass. This particular shelf is the bottom one that we put in to drop in the bottom tray. So it goes in a little bit different than the others. It's not a hanging one. Okay, so we've got that bottom in. And put the tray. Make sure you get it in the slots. I just missed when I was putting that one in. Yeah, that's working well. This next one's a pull-out that goes in the next fixed level. The ones after that we can adjust the height on. So these, had you marked them, you'd know where they go. So these drop in real nice. So if you forgot or you put them in too high, you can just take them, lower them down. Okay, now we got those on. We'll put the doors. The doors, I preloaded them with the stuff. It's easier to organize on your countertop. So we'll do that when we restock the rest of the shelves.